Here we are where I grew up. That's our old house. Right there. And we're getting clay, good clay, so we can build a rocket stove.
I didn't do wrong.
I don't think it's not short of his rocks around there.
Dumb rock.
Oh, yeah. Nice, buddy. We got lots of clay. All right, me and Louie got clay yesterday from Crow Lake. Oh boy, yes, the good stuff. That's good clay, better than the river clay we have down here. There's too much sand and that stuff. But we've been wanting to do this rocket stove outside shower thing for a while, and I finally have a little bit of time, not to finish it, but to start it. And yeah, so I got some copper coil. The one I had before, I only had 16 feet. It wasn't quite enough. This half inch. I got this idea from, who the hell was it? It was exploring alternatives on YouTube. It's pretty cool. But yeah, gonna try it and see what all the hype's about. Cool. Hey, once again, my brain's got the best of me. I'm trying to forward think all the shit that I would have done next time because I don't really want to have to do this a whole bunch of times. I can't afford the fucking copper. So, anyways, I'm trying to think. Out of all the ones I saw, I didn't see anybody with like a way to empty the fucking thing, and I think that would be a real pain in the arse trying to turn the thing upside down. It looks heavy as shit. So I was thinking, you know, have this in the bottom. So, like the coil, you know, this will go like, you know, underneath, right? Blah, blah, blah. So the wood will sit on top of that. The ashes will fall into here. I'll cut. This is the best thing, I think. I was going to use this VCR top, but it's not, I don't know. It's just not, I'm not feeling it. This I was actually going to make into a little stove because I think it was badass. But anyway, so this is going to be here. This will be like this, basically, you know, so then you put that beast out to empty your ashes. I'm going to cut a hole here, that's why the grate. I'm trying to think of all this shit, and I definitely, yeah, you'll see. And I figured I may as well glue the shit out of it, because I don't want to have to fuck with it a whole bunch of times. And I don't want to, I'm going to leave these on for handles to lift the bloody thing. And yeah, I don't know. I was going to use this, which I really kind of like the idea. Is the drill bit thing. Slide that beast in there, right? Get all the ashes, because then I can use this to block the hole as well. Kind of a sexy little 2-in-1 Majili. But you know what? Hell with it. I'm going to stick with this and see if I can pull that off. Alright, so yeah, I'm still waiting on Louie before we get messy with the clay, but just wanted to show you what my brain does to me. It's my worst fucking enemy, man. Overthink everything, eh? Overanalyze. Fucking Costanza the shit out of everything. There will be a moment in start and I'm losing it. Oh, he's freaking out. Alright. Well, yeah, we'll see, man. It might work. It might. Probably something I'm completely fucking overlooking. But, oh well, that's how you learn, eh? Fuck it. Keep the clay good. We're just gonna fish it out with our hands. Same way we did from the lake, so that's sort of gonna go like that to get rid of my ashes. So like that, and then we just basically cement the whole thing in.
So
all right.
You just gotta reach in.
Yeah, buddy. Hold on. Let me bring her closer there. So, man. You know what we should get? Some fucking water, bud. Shit. Son of a...
So we can wash our hands off?
Yeah, can you go? Shit, I guess you can't go in here. So much for that forward thinking I was talking about. Don't do that, man.
That's fun. Just sink my hands in.
Hey, Mommy, can you get us a little thing of water, please? Yeah. I'll go right over. No, God damn it.
You told her to.
Yeah, I told her not to.
You told her to. You're like, yeah, we'll right where we are.
She's being facetious. Damn dog doesn't know sarcasm.
Buddy! Buddy! Buddy!
Doggone. Okay, running into a little problem with the clay, with the rocket stove there. But I didn't know. I mean, I'm not very good at pottery. The most I know about pottery, I've seen ghost. So that's about it. A little misleading, but apparently you're not supposed to keep it like that. I was worried about the clay drying out, and now that I'm thinking about it, everybody I see that does it on YouTube, they're getting it from a river, like the side of a riverbed, and you know it's almost dry. So I was thinking, you know, I was worried about it drying out. But worst case scenario, dries out, you smash it into a powder like freaking cement, and then you can regulate how much water you put in, and it'd be a lot easier. But for my kind of quick fix idea here, I've got some sawdust, some work, really fine sawdust, and I put sawdust in this one. I'm gonna let her just leave it overnight by itself. This one is just wet, and this one I'm just going to let it sit for a couple hours and then wrap it in a bag. See what happens. This actually sucked out a lot of moisture really quickly, so I'm curious to see what will happen. But we'll find out. No, I won't keep any secrets from you. I'll let you know. Okay, changed my mind about the blob here. I'm gonna put some ashes into it because I got ashes. Figure what the hell, I'm letting it dry out. May as well, I don't know, do my best to try everything that I have on hand. See which way it works, if it works at all. Come on now. Yeah, there you go. This is really hard to do with one hand. We shall see. Okay, I gotta set this bloody thing down. Okay, so we got the come on, James, spit it out, man. Ashes, just regular clay, sawdust. I gotta try all three ways. If I come home tomorrow, they're all dried, then I guess I get to smash it into dust and try that 3 different recipes again. So at least I'm killing 3 birds with 1 stone, so to speak. I mean, this fucking learning curve is killing me, man, but time constraints, right? So we'll see, I guess. Check this out. So that was clay and ashes. That was just clay. That was clay and sawdust. Funky, eh? I was kind of thinking on this one. I don't know why. It just kind of makes sense to me. They're not. None of them are entirely dry yet. But this just sort of says it's sawdust is allowing it to dry more evenly. Because, I mean, anything in nature is going to take the path of least resistance, right? I guess. I don't know. You don't see water run uphill. Simple as shit. So, this kind of makes sense. I'm curious to see what'll happen. I'm going to fucking throw it in the greenhouse. Try and speed dry it. See if that'll stress it out. Alright. So, we're back at it. Just thought I'd record some of that. I don't even know what you can see this for. That's going to be meow.
Maybe a couple extra layers of sunblock and watch out for your satellites. You say right now it's over the Atlantic, but suppose it shifts to over land. Yeah, so there is a shift in the weak spot. So the European Space Agency has been watching it. It's down 9%. So if you want to think about our magnetic field as a kind of shield, it goes out into space and protects our planet from high energy particles from the sun. Down 9% doesn't sound too bad, but if it goes down further, we will have to start worrying about maybe issuing warnings to folks who live in areas that are in a particularly weak magnetic field area. So there's two currently. So the South Atlantic anomaly has one major weak spot, and a second one has appeared closer to Africa. Now our listener was asking about the magnetic field shifting so much that the poles could actually flip over. North becomes south, south becomes north. What's the chance of that happening? Very, very good. I would say pretty much 100% chance it will happen. It has happened before, and it seems to have something like a regular pattern. But when it will happen is quite another question. So last time we think the Earth's poles split and major reversal was around 780,000 years ago. So we don't really know how it will go. And then the last part of our question is, how will the shift in the magnetic field affect the northern lights? The northern lights are caused by our magnetic field interacting with the charged particles from the sun and sort of funneling those through and creating beautiful northern lights. So if our field is shifting, one thing that might happen amid a reversal of poles is beautiful displays of aurorae, usually seen only at higher latitudes at night, and with magnetic storms might be visible at lower latitudes or maybe up.
She's smart because she used the back turn from the door.
Northern lights. So perhaps more people can see the northern lights rather than
Perhaps.
exactly. Dr. Hyde, thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for having me. Dr. Elena Hyde is an assistant professor in the Department of Physics and Astronomy at York University.
This is basically the gist of it. So we're getting cracks in that. I'm hoping the sawdust will help. That'll go like so. Oop. That'll be her, and we'll see, man. See if she works. It might not, but you know what? I got a backup plan just in case, so we'll cover this thing up now. Good job, man. Good job, dude. I don't know if this is going to work out, but you know what? We're going to do very good. You're doing a great job, man.
I didn't really get instructions.
Hey, you're doing good, buddy.
So
You're doing good.
I just started
I'm making this up on the fly, too. That's how you learn, eh?
So now you can just pick them up.
Figure we may as well do it now. Learn how to do it while we still have time to adjust. rather than need to do it and not know how to do it. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Say we need something from the store. Better do it during the day while it's open. All right, there we have it. I don't know why I covered it in tape. It's just one of those things. It's just instinct. I have absolutely no reasoning for it. But for some reason, I think it's going to help because I do not trust the way this clay is drying. I don't know. I have it in my head that maybe it'll act sort of like a magnifying glass and help not only keep the structure together, but pull the water out of it. I'm not sure. Make it sweat, right? Something like that. I don't know. Anyways, see you in a day or two, I guess. How she goes. All right, cool.